Hey girls and guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz if you don't know already. I want to start off by first apologizing for my absence. You guys, I am not a full-time YouTuber, but there's no excuse for leaving you girls and guys hanging the way I have been lately. I'm really working on my consistency, so just pray for me on that. But today's video, I'm going to be putting up a barn door for my bathroom makeover, but this is just the barn door portion of that. I'm going to be doing separate videos to push out more content, so they're going to be shorter videos, but with good content, you guys. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and install this barn door. I'm just going to read the instruction manual all the way through fully first, and then I'm going to go ahead and proceed to removing the old door. And it's just like the old hardware where you could knock it out, but I didn't know that at the time, so I just did it with just undoing the screws and just taking it off this way. But you could have easily took it off by just knocking that part out in the middle, and the whole part could have just came out. Now I know. Did y'all miss me when I was gone? Like, I know that YouTube is playing around with my algorithm, y'all. So please like this video if you haven't already. Please go ahead and like this video, please, for your girl. I'm really on the road to 100K, you guys. And I'm going to be doing a $100 Cash App giveaway in this video. So all you have to do is comment your Cash App down below. And that whole giveaway will be ending on July the 17th. So on July the 17th is the ending of that Cash App giveaway. So y'all stay tuned and just keep on watching all of my videos so you can keep on being entered into this giveaway. All you have to do, like I said, is comment down below and leave your Cash App name. And then when that deadline comes, I will announce the winner in one of my videos. And I have to be consistent because I can't play around with y'all money. So make sure that y'all go ahead and leave a comment, leave a like, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, because I am getting out this content. Oh my goodness, I'm getting out this content to you guys. I have so much good content. So right here, you see me going ahead and marking the holes. This freaking hardware is so heavy. I recommend you do this with another person if you're a small female like me. We got the holes marked, and then we just go ahead and drill, and then we go back and screw. But you can do it yourself, but it is heavy, I'm not gonna lie. So once I went ahead and marked those holes, I went ahead and drilled it together using my drill, and I used a masonry bit, which is just a thick, big bit. I believe it was the masonry one. I don't know, guys. I will leave all of the items I used though down in the description below. It was a thicker bit. So I went ahead and applied the hardware using this wrench, and that was because I couldn't find a drill bit at my hardware store in the correct size. So I just went ahead and got this, and it worked out perfectly, you guys. It just took a little extra time and muscle. Like the day after the day after the day after, y'all. Like, it is literally Tuesday. I started on doing this on Saturday or Sunday. Sometimes I really freaking do. Because when you open up these pulleys, as you can see, I have one up here. I'm going to take it down, actually. But it just rolls across like that. Let me take it down. It's heavy. Ugh. So this little dolly or pulley or whatever, these screws are actually a completely different size. These are a completely different size. You can see it's a hex screw still, but these are bigger. These are 8.8, and I'm so happy that I got this whole kit because I'm pretty sure I have the 8.8 size in here. So I just will have to find it and fit it. But it's just, oh my goodness, y'all, like this, you need a man. But I'm so crazy because I'm doing it by myself. I literally got this part up using that socket wrench with myself, standing on this chair. Y'all can see like the drywall all in the chair, but this one is still not on. As you can see, this one is not on because I fucking was getting tired last night. But I'm about to just go ahead and get to it, y'all. I probably really can't record me doing this part like that, but if so, y'all will see me doing it on camera. But if not, just know I'm the only one doing this. Y'all know it's nobody else helping me with this, so I'm just gonna tell y'all the process. But like I said, this is very heavy duty. This door is gonna last, so it's really worth it. great price, and it's so fun because you get to do it yourself. So. Yes, y'all. Yes, 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 yes. I'm finally getting it right. As y'all can see, I'm gonna put holes. I'm gonna have to put filler in there, but I finally got them where they're tight and sturdy. I still have 2 more that go on, but it's so sturdy right now. I'm so happy. Y'all just don't know. Like, this has been a whole process. I got 2 more to put on, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it works. So I got the thing up, and it's nice and sturdy. Thank God I did it myself. Oh my goodness, y'all! I just cannot stress that enough. And because the instructions are not that easy to read, but anyway, I'm on this part of the instructions where we're going to go ahead and put that little part onto the door. So I'm just gonna mark the holes on the door, and I did have to go out to the Ace Hardware store, and I had to go ahead and grab this drill bit, guys, because I have to drill these big ass holes in there where I can be able to screw this thick ass screw into there. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. Oh y'all, okay, so I drilled the other hole in here. I marked the other ones over there, as you can see. And I got it leaning on my bed right now, y'all. So it's crazy. But yeah, I got it drilled in there. And basically, I just take the nut and screw it in there. I actually didn't have the size with the thing, so I've been using my wrench to screw it in manually. It's okay. I only have 4 of them, so I only have 2 more to go after this. It's really not that hard. I'm watching my show, so it's moving pretty fast. So I'm gonna show y'all after I have those screwed up here. Yeah, so I'm just going ahead adding the bolt inside of the pre-drilled hole. Then I'm just going to screw it down as far as I can with my hand. Then I'm going to come back with the wrench and fully tighten it. And then as you can see, we have these exposed ends on the back, and all we do is add the bolt caps to the back of it. These are those right here. This is how they look. It's a washer and a bolt cap. And we just add that to the back. And the pulleys will be fully put into position where it can slide across the hardware properly. Okay guys, I got it up. The bar is up pretty low as it could go over top of that beam right there. So unless, like, yeah, that's the lowest it could go, right over top of the base at the top here. That leaves like a little space. Either I can go get a longer door or just be okay with it. I mean, it really don't matter. It's a sliding door in the bathroom regardless. Like, it really doesn't bother me that much. But at least I got it all put up. I'm very happy about it. So yeah, that's how it looks. And yes, I'm really happy about it. Yeah, actually did put the stoppers up there too as well, as you can see. Those are the stoppers right there. That's how they look. And it just comes with like a little teeny wrench, and you tighten the screws at the top of it. And in order to put it, you just put it like that, and it ends up stopping at the stopper, just like that. Right here, I noticed that it wasn't sliding properly, and all I had to do was go in and fix and take off those bolt caps on the ends that go on the back of the bolts. I just took those off, and it worked out perfectly. It was able to slide better, and you will see that in the end of this video. But yeah, that's what I was doing. I was like, what's going on? It was stopping at the part where the border of the door starts. Min wax, wood finish, stain pad, gloves, and I also got these paint brushes as well. Stain pad should work this time. So I'm taking this stain pad and I'm using the dark walnut color from Minwax. It's their deep walnut or dark walnut stain, and I really love this color for this project. It turned out beautifully, and all you want to do is go with the grain of the wood as you're putting the stain on, and it just makes sure that you go back over it with another cloth, like a cheesecloth, just to get rid of any excess stain. And then you want to finish it off with a nice wax finisher I use the same brand. I don't know if I showed you guys that in the video, but I did use a wax to finish it, and I did do both sides, front and back, of course. And I love how it turned out in the end, you guys. Y'all, so what's about to happen? Can y'all tell how excited I am about this project? I mean, it really came out so nice. I was being pretty hard on myself about it because I always hate to watch other people's content, and I went back and watched other people's content in the middle of like this project. Like I told y'all, it took me a few days, but I was just like getting discouraged. But you can't compare yourself to anyone else. That's why I'm Jazz and they are them. So I did end up loving the overall finish of it, and I hope you guys love it too. Anyway, y'all, I got the wax up here. It's drying. I'm excited about this. I'm gonna add this to the outside. So I got this restroom sign from my local hardware store. I saw it in like the YALL, where I guess like private owned businesses would just go and pick up some like essentials for their store. But I was like, this would be cute to put on my bathroom because boys and girls, men and women, both use my restroom, and it's my personal bathroom in my bedroom, so it's really cute. I love it. Now Jazz. But anyway, y'all, I'm just showing y'all the finish of it all. I love it. I'm showing y'all the functionality of my door. It does not swing like that anymore, guys. I actually went back in and perfected everything. See how straight it is now? It doesn't swing, it slides back and forth, and I will show y'all that in the end of the video. But I absolutely love the way that this barn door turned out. It was for my first time doing it. I think I did a pretty decent job. You guys let me know though in the comments, how do you think I did? And don't forget about that Cash App giveaway, you guys. I'm going to be giving away $100. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment with your Cash App name down below. And thank you, girls and guys, so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more content like this coming out so soon. And I'll see you in my next one. XOXO. Deuces. By the way, follow me on TikTok so y'all can stay up to date almost every day with small DIYs, hair, makeup, and especially home decor. All right, y'all, I'm gone.